Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I will be juicing these wax apple that I picked fresh from the backyard a couple days ago. It's a very refreshing juice. Today I'm gonna be detoxing. Today and tomorrow I'll be detoxing. So I will be using this juice along with some cold pressed juice that I got from Costco yesterday to do my detox, basically. So this is the wax apple, or the Chinese wax apple. It's very refreshing juice. I went to the store yesterday and I forgot my ginger, so I'm just gonna add maybe one apple to it because this is what I had extra left over. So this is it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. Look at all those wax apple, guys. Alright guys, here's a bottle that's gonna be gifted to Grandma Zoo. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, let it chill, and tomorrow I'm gonna deliver it to her. And I still have plenty of wax apple left. So I'm gonna juice the rest of this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one. And if you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe, and please hit the bell notification so you can know every time a video drop. All right, peace and blessings to good health.